Right, as soon as you get in the truck, adjust mirrors, release your trailer brake. Rev it up to 15 on your RPMs. Get your air pressure built back up. Listen for the governor to spit, purge valve. That way your air tanks are full and ready for you to start. Truck off. Key back on. Release your truck brake. Right foot back. So with my foot on the service brake, I should lose no more than 4 PSI in 1 minute. Can you time me? When the examiner says begin, light steady pressure on those brakes. Hold it. They're going to make you hold it. No. Time's up. I lost no more than 4 PSI in 1 minute. Now I'm going to fan my brakes until my low pressure light and buzzer come on around 60 PSI. My low pressure light and buzzer came on at 60 PSI. Now I'm going to continue fanning my brakes until both my valves pop out around 30 PSI. Do not touch those brake valves. Both my valves popped out at 30 PSI. Air loss complete. Key off. My seat belt, it's not cutter frayed. It latches securely. I have a securely mounted, fully charged 10 BC fire extinguisher. 3 reflective triangles. My truck runs on circuit breakers. With my brakes set and my transmission on neutral, I'm going to do a safe start. My ABS light comes on, goes off. My oil pressure should rise within 5 seconds. If not, I'm going to shut the motor off. My water temperature will rise as the motor warms. My voltmeter is between 12 and 14. My DEF will rise to proper level. My air pressure is rising to proper level. Left indicator works. Right indicator works. 4-way flashers work. Headlights. High beam indicator works. My windshield wipers and washer fluid are working. My windshield wipers, securely mounted, not cracked or broken. My blades are not cut, torn, or dry rotted. They have the proper tension to the windshield. My windshield, securely mounted, not cracked or broken. No illegal stickers or obstructions. My mirrors, securely mounted, not cracked or broken. Clean and clear, adjusted to the driver's vision. My defrost works. My heater works. My city horn, my air horn works. Now I'm going to test my tractor brake by releasing my trailer brake. Tractor brake held. Now I'm going to set my trailer brake, release my tractor brake to test my trailer. Trailer brake held. Now I'm going to release both brakes to test my service brake. Service brake held. The truck did not pull left or right. In-cab complete. Examiner, would you meet me at the front of the truck?